Hello, welcome to Bestifier Tech. In this video, we're gonna see how you can turn on nightlight mode on your Windows PC. First, click on the little speaker button here. Here you can find the nightlight option. If you don't find it here, then right click on the empty area of your desktop screen. Click display settings. You can see nightlight here. Click on. You can customize your nightlight option just by clicking here. You can turn off now from here. You can adjust the strength of your nightlight mode. You can also schedule nightlight. To set the nightlight from sunset to sunrise, you have to turn on location. I'm just gonna leave it there. That's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, press the like button and hit the subscribe button.